Let's get right into it. I was on the Instagram last week and GoRuck's sent me an ad and it worked. They had their 4th of July sale. So I went on, I browsed some things. They had a really good amount. They had a great sale for their Rucker 4.0. It was really cheap. I decided I would look at some sandbags. Nothing really that I really wanted. I already have a pretty good amount of sandbags, but I saw their jerry cans had a pretty good sale. I added them to the cart. Then I left the website and thought about it for a little bit, and then I went back and got them. So I got two 45-pound jerry cans for $90, I believe it was. They were $45 each. They're normally $60, I think. I'm done buying things for a while from GoRuck. I've probably spent over $500 in the past month and a half on different things. So we got two jerry cans. We're going to rip them open. We're going to open them up. We're going to check them out, and then we're going to give them a test run. So actually, these got here really fast. I ordered them on July 2nd, I believe. July 1st or 2nd. And today's the 5th, and it got here, even with the holiday. So we're in Fresno, I'm in Fresno, California, and these got shipped out of, the label says Las Vegas. They must have a distribution center there. I don't know, I didn't realize they're based there, if they are based there, but here we go. There's one jerry can, two jerry cans. Take this bag and peh. GoRuck, GoRuck. More packaging. There's one in the flesh. There's number two in the flesh. Right off the first look, I knew they were going to be bigger than like a kettlebell. They're about the size that I thought they were going to be. I thought they did a good job of kind of showing how big they are on the website. A little smudge there, maybe a little chalk or something. GoRuck, I'm going to need a replacement. I need these things to be perfectly clean and perfect, or else I can't use them. Kidding. These are 45-pound jerry cans, so they're going to hold about 45 pounds of sand. I saw some other people be able to fit a little bit more in there, maybe up to closer to 50, depending on how much you stuff it in, but I don't know if that's true or not. I'm going to go fill them up later today, but I got two of them. Big GoRuck emblem on the other side, no emblem, plain, but on the sides you got GoRuck as well. The handles, very much like a backpack, like that backpack loop, the top of one of those. That's what's going to feel like carrying them. We have big zipper, and I believe inside here, pull this out from a couple other YouTube videos I've watched. You've got several layers of Velcro. It's not the easiest to undo, but listen, I like that. You should like that, because that means it's not going to come undone by itself. If it takes you, the person, work to get it undone, to be able to put sand in, that means it will not come undone on its own. I don't know if I'm just... There we go. So I read that there's, 3 compartments in there? Yeah, 3 little slots. The sand will fill each one, and then you just do the opposite. Throw it back together, zip it up, and you're off in training. So the reason I bought these, I was between the kettlebells and these, and the reason why I bought these, I have the GoRucker, the Rucker 4.0 that I just got, and one of these will fit in there, so I could load this up into my GoRuck. I already have a 30-pound plate that I put in there, but now I can go upwards of 75 just by adding this, or take the 30 out, put this in for 45, which there's several workouts with 45 pounds it calls for, such as Chad RX, 1,000 step-ups for time will call for 45 pounds. So that's one reason why I wanted to get at least one of them. I had opted to get 2 for farmer's carries and for different workouts. Suitcase carries will still only require 1, but I like the idea of the farmer's carry because you can do farmer's carries. We have plenty of dumbbells and kettlebells in the garage, but I like the handles on these. It's going to help be able to go longer distances because you won't be having to hold on to a larger, iron grip or metal grip, such as with dumbbells or kettlebells. It's softer. You hopefully will be able to hold on longer. It's still going to tax your grip, but should be a little more comfortable ride. So that way you can hit your core a little more, especially with the suitcase carries when you load one of these up. I would have really loved the 55-pound one just because they're a little bit heavier. But that 55-pound will not fit in a 20-liter Rucker 4.0. So that's why I opted for the 45. I just got 2 of them. They're on sale. So let's go fill them up. So what I've decided to do is just go for a walk. There's a sand pit about 3/4 of a mile from our house. I'll walk up there. We'll fill both of these up and we'll walk back with them. So it'll be about 3/4 of a mile with just a 30-pound rucker, and then 3/4 of a mile with quite a bit of weight, actually. 90 pounds total, 45 in each hand, 30 pounds on the back. It might take a while. Also forgot on their last sale, GoRuck had a sale on shoes, and I bought some of their not the rough runners. These are trail ruckers. Trail ruck, I don't know what they're called exactly. Sorry, GoRuck. It's getting to be real hot. All right, let's get busy. All right, so there they are. Managed to fill them all up with sand, and then I walked back. It was 1.3 miles total, and it was 90 pounds plus 30, so 120 pounds for 1 point. Well, it was less than that because they weren't full on the first half, but it was kind of more difficult filling them than I thought. I don't know why they put 3 sections in there. Maybe it's a jerry can thing that I don't know of, but the 3 sections kind of made it hard just to like let it fill with a shovel. So what I did, you kind of have to throw some sand in to get it set at the bottom first, so it's upright on its own, and then fill that middle portion. And I found it easy to just dig my hand and then start shoveling over from the middle to fill the sides, and then just fill up from there. Drop them quite a bit, and the sand has settled. I definitely have some room at the top for one of these, so I don't think it's filled out all the way, but that's it. They're cool. A lot of good things you can do with them. Today was just a farmer's carry for a long distance, and man, I took a lot of breaks with them. I think like every shady spot I saw, every couple 100 feet, I was dropping them and picking them back up. So that's it. GoRuck 45-pound jerry cans. I got 2 of them, filled them up, took them for farmer's carry. We're going to do a lot more with them. See you next time.